Hey there, I'm Josh.
Hi, I'm Brittain.
And we're a couple of nomads and lovebirds who have been full-time on the road for 3.5 years. You want to tell them what we're in, what we full-time in?
So we are in a 1987 Airstream 345 motor coach.
Yeah.
And Josh is going to show you a little bit about it.
So a fun vintage rig. Let's first go to the cockpit. You've probably seen Airstreams running down the road, those silver bullet bumper pulls, but I bet you've probably never seen a motorhome like this. So got the drivetrain here. It's a Chevy chassis, which is, you know, really neat. For you gearheads out there, that's a GM 454, one of the most famous engines GM ever built. But anyway, you got your cockpit here, control center, a real comfortable ride, backup camera if you need it. You know, all kinds of things like that that are really fun as you're getting down the road. You can control a lot of things, you know, like a normal motorhome here, like locking the door and things like that, your lights, all that good stuff. But we have a lot of fun with it. Just a really unique piece in terms of being able to drive a silver bullet down the road. This is Walter, by the way. Anytime Walter sees a camera, he decides that he needs to make an appearance and be the star of the show. Let's check out another really cool retro piece of our Airstream motor coach. So built-in TV. Now, you know, of course, in the days of flat screen TVs and huge things and all that, this may not seem like much, but from a vintage standpoint, this was state-of-the-art in its day. Being able to have a little television with your VCR up here. We also went ahead and bought, at a thrift store, some classic VHS tapes to play in our vintage VHS player. So that's my side. Britt?
So everything in this Airstream, from the captain's chair to the couch, dining, cabinetry, even the refrigerator, the microwave, convection oven, and the oven is all original from 1987. We love our refrigerator. It says made in Sweden, so it's a very special piece, and they just made really great appliances back in the day. So we love that we have something that is all original here. Now, my favorite part of our home and my favorite room in the home is this desert-inspired bedroom. It's very cozy, very comfortable, and eventually, once we are done renovating, what you see here, this desert-inspired soft colors and earth tones, is going to make its way into the rest of the RV, and so this is just a wonderful place to return home to every night. All right, last but not least, and definitely one of the coolest parts of the originality of our Airstream here is this built-in blender. And actually, while I'm doing this, you might want to dig out that New Tone magazine down there, Josh.
Oh yeah, you got it.
So there are, I think, somewhere between 9 and 12 attachments that fit into this New Tone system right here, built into this cabinet. This is our blender. It came with the RV came with a blender and a knife sharpener. But I just put that in right there. Oh, I gotta make sure my switch is turned on up this way. And away I go. I've only used this thing 3 times. I discovered only 2 days ago it actually has speeds. So that was a high speed. There we go. Here's a low speed and a high speed. So definitely a very fun feature. And here we have so
it's not just a blender. You might think it's just a blender, but
right,
it's not.
Here we go. This is what this center is. It is a, you can buy appliances for a food processor, coffee grinder, the blender, a mixer, fruit juicer, ice crusher, knife sharpener, meat grinder, shredder, slicer for cheeses, and a can opener. So one day we will purchase the entire set and have the whole collection.
That's not just for bragging rights, because in an RV, that's a huge space saver.
It isn't. That's right. So thank you for taking a tour of our home, and happy traveling. See you out on the road.